What's up YouTube and my dear subscriber, here is the new video, free energy generator from all washing machines motor. This is the motor from all washing machines. I have altered this into free energy generator. Today I will show you and demonstrate you with these energy savers. This video is just for demonstrating and showing to you guys that is it really works or not. I will upload a new video soon, that is a part 2 video in which I will show you how I alter this, and I will open this motor and show you guys the rotor and what did I alter in this, and I will show you step by step in the next part 2. You guys subscribe my channel and like this video and comments on it. Guys, I do not know how to speak English, but I will try my best. So this motor gives alternate current, AC current. When we want to convert this AC current to DC, means direct current, we use this bridge rectifier to convert AC current to DC current. In one spin, this motor in one spin it gives 20 to 25 volt AC current. So we can convert this AC current to DC current as we want, and I will show you in multimeter how it works. Now it's time to check the voltage in one spin with multimeter. Do not let them touch together. Keep this away from each other. Look at the multimeter. Guys, you see 36 volt, 26, 25. In one spin it gives 25 volt AC current. So when we keep moving this, and this rotor, when these rotors will keep spinning and moving, so it will give continuous voltage, and it will keep giving us the desired voltage. More speed, more voltage. So now we are going to check the DC current with the help of bridge rectifier. So now I am connecting these wires to the AC side of bridge, and this one is the negative and this is the positive one. Move the selector to DC volt. Now this is DC. You can see in one spin it gives 12 volt, sometimes 12, 20, 22, 22. This is the DC current, 22 in one spin. You can increase the speed of this rotor and the voltage will also increase. So now we will check this LED plates with this is the DC 12 volt. These both are the 12 volt, and it operates on 12 volt DC current. So we will check with this. First we will check one. You guys can see this is glowing. Here is the daylight, so it's not looking. I hope you will see that it's glowing and blinking light. So now guys, you can see these LEDs are glowing, and now we will check them together, both of them. Now I have connected both of them, and now check it. You can see it's working and the LEDs are glowing. Now you guys can see that the lights turn off quickly as I rotate the rotor, so it turns off the quickly light. So I will use a capacitor. I have made these are 2200 microfarad and 6 volt capacitor. These are 16 volt capacitors, and I have soldered it with parallel. So now I am going to connect these two, and when I will spin this slowly, the LED will remain glow. And slowly it will turn off. You can see this is without capacitor. Observe this. And now I am connecting this. The positive one will go to positive side and the negative to negative. Now let's see what's going. Observe on the LED what was before and after of capacitors, what changes are made. You guys can see the LEDs are keep glowing and turn off slowly. So this was before and after capacitor. This runs also on DC and AC currents. This is the free energy generator. So now we will check the 220. Now we will check 220 AC volt with this energy generator. Step by step I will check one by one, and at last we will check these four energy savers at a time and see what's going to happen. Let's go. Guys, you can see this one is 25 volt and 220 volt. Now we will check this one energy saver with our free energy generator. Now I am connecting. This is the AC current. It runs on AC, so I am directly connecting this one. No need of bridge, anything. So I have connected both of these wires to AC. Now it's not glowing. You can see it's not glowing in one spin. It needs a high current, not a high current. It needs a high voltage. Just observe on the light, it will glow quickly and turn off quickly. So observe on the light, please. You guys can see it glows. Once again I will check it. I will try it, and you guys can see this. Now I will connect one more energy saver with this. Now I have connected two energy savers. Both of them are 25 watt, and the sum of these two energy savers gives 50 watt. So now observe on the energy savers. You guys can saw that the both of them are blue. I don't know how to speak English, but I am trying with my best. Now I am connecting four energy savers at a time, and let's go how it works. Guys, just look on these 4 energy savers, and these wires are more dangerous, very dangerous. Keep your hands away from this. It gives a 220 volt, means 220 volt. It is very dangerous for human. That can kill you and you may be injured with this. So be very careful from these wires. Don't touch both of them wire. It's just like your public voltage in AC wall circuit. Don't touch this. Now observe this for 7 hours. Maybe it works, but I'm going to try. Just observe only. You guys saw that this one I think was not blocked. Maybe there is a problem with holder. So I'm going to try again. Yes, 4 of them are blown. So this is the free energy generator, means when you can use this as a turbine. The blades will move by the wind and it will continue your voltage and gives you voltage. You can use as a wind turbine, and you can also connect this to the engine with coupling. I don't know more, but this is good. And you guys subscribe my channel and like this video if you like. Hope you would enjoy this video and like my video, and share this. Comments down below that what improvement do I need for this, and I will upload a new video, part 2. In that video I will show you how I made this and what changes I made to this. I will show you step by step. I will open this all motor. Means motor, I will not call this at a time motor. It's like a dynamo. It's a dynamo. So I will open this and step by step I will show you what things I made, and how I alter this, what changes do I made in this motor and converted it to free energy generator. So thumbs up for this dynamo and like my videos. I will upload a new video for you guys. That will part 2 coming soon. Thanks.